Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&A Forex Traders. I'm here with a trade recap of how I managed to make about $2,000 on Nasdaq from start to finish. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so let me just show you what happened before all this, right? What you're going to see here is the forecast which was done in our mentorship community right here. So we had a nice drop based rally, and then we saw the market breaking structure to the upside, and then we were waiting for the market to push into this zone right here so that we can see the market going to the upside. But why was I trying to buy from here? Let me just take you to the higher time frame and see what was happening there. So if you go back to the 4 hour time frame right here and zoom out, you're going to realize that we had a nice level just here. Okay, so we had a nice drop base rally with big momentum candles pushing to the upside. So what triggered me was this push to the upside right here. So what I did was I went to the lower time frame to find my order block. All right, so I found my order block on the lower time frame here, and then I had to mark this order block right here, and then I went to the right side, and you can clearly see that the market was coming to me in the form of a compression right here, or even on the higher time frame. However, I didn't want to enter from this big zone here because the stop loss was just too big. So this right here was about 43 pips, right? I was not okay with that. So my initial setup was actually was planning to actually buy from here so that I can hold up to all that, right? That was my initial um my initial focus right there. However, what I did when I went to the lower time frame, I saw the market was actually trying to come back to this level. So I saw the market moving to the upside like that. Then I saw the market coming here. So I decided to do what I saw that the first zone here, the market had actually tapped into this zone and went to the upside right there, which triggered me to actually wait for a confirmatory entry, which we call a confirmatory entry right here. So I looked for structure on the lower time frame, right? So if you drop even further, you're going to realize that the market had made a drop based rally, which broke structure, which confirmed change of character, right? Change of trend from being a downtrend to an uptrend. So what I was waiting for the price to pull back into this area here so that we can go for a buy. This setup here is what you're able to see right here. So on the lower time frame, this is a drop based rally right there. I was waiting for the market to push into the zone so that what I can actually enter right there. Now check out. So the market came to our level right here. You can clearly see we had big momentum candles coming to my zone, and when I saw this, I was like, game over. I'm jumping into this particular trade. You can clearly see it was taken on the 15 minutes time frame. The stop loss was 10 pips instead of being 43 pips, which increases my lot size, right? And also my target was 300 pips right there. So I waited for the confirmation right there. Once I had my confirmation, I pulled the trigger and we're able to take this trade right here. And since the time we took the trade, this is what happened. You can clearly see that the market so far has pushed to the upside about 213 pips. And guess what? This is a 24 risk to reward ratio trade, which is absolutely amazing. And our target is right here, about 300 pips. But I'm very hesitant here because it's almost midnight and the market is about to close, and I don't like leaving such trades open. So let me just show you the proof that I was able to take this trade right here, and I'm actually in this trade as well. You can see that I entered from right here, and the market has pushed up to that level right here, and I was able to trail my stop loss to just below this structure right here because I don't want to lose all this profit. And you can clearly see that right now we are currently up almost like $1,300 in profit. This is absolutely absolutely amazing. All right, this shade is not yet at my target. You can clearly see that my target is here, right here. It's about $2,000 in profit. However, I'm just going to wait and see what the market is going to do, whether I'm going to be taken out from here or the market is going to keep going to the upside. Regardless of whatever happens, I've already secured about 1,100 dollars, which is absolutely amazing. So this is what happened. You can clearly see that we used a lot of confluences here. We used a lot of multiple time frame analysis to come up with this sell. I'd have simply waited for price to come to this zone right here, which would have been, you can see that my initial target was here. My stop loss was supposed to be 40 pips, and then my stop loss was 40 pips, and my target was about 1,000 pips. However, I looked at that and went to the lower time frame, and guess what? I got in with a stop loss of 10 pips and my target being 300 pips, giving me about 1 to 34 risk to reward ratio. If I waited for price to come to this level and entered right here, let's see how much my risk to reward ratio would have been. So you can clearly see if my target is supposed to be there and my stop loss was going to be here. You can clearly see that my risk to reward ratio here would have been 14 risk to reward ratio, which is not good. And if you compare 14 and the risk to reward ratio that we have here, which is 34, this is absolutely amazing. So actually taking it on the lower time frame was actually more beneficial than it would have been if we took it on the higher time frame. That's just multiple time frame analysis at play right there. This was absolutely amazing. So congratulations to all those that managed to actually take this particular trade. You can clearly see that people took this trade right here and made some really good money right here. You can clearly see that uh, people were actually sending screenshots and all that. This was really good. So make sure that you check out our M&F mastery course. You get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. Be part of our private community and get to enjoy all these trades with us real time. So you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.